Here we go. We got to jam deep in there. There we go. Get that out of here. The Nova Impact is a VLF machine. It has so many features. Everything's adjustable and customizable. I don't know where to start. Let's just jump right in. The battery compartment is located on the rear of this machine. It runs on 4 AA batteries. If you remove the batteries, you can access a mini USB port. This way you can plug it into your computer for online firmware updates. This is your power knob. It's also your volume control. And you also have a 1/4-inch headphone jack back here. Don't want to use wired headphones? This machine has a wireless system built in. You just need the optional wireless headphones. Now these things run on 2.4 gigahertz, so they're lightning fast and they're super simple to use. Simply charge them here, turn them on, watch it sync up. Now that chatter you heard is in the headphones. I'm going to put these on and run a target over the machine for you. Don't mind the chatter. We're in my yard. You want faster? Faster? Like I said, these things are well designed. They're simple to use. The sound quality is excellent. Turn them off, and that chatter goes back to the machine. Very nice. Here's the LCD display. This is where you get your ground mineralization, you have your battery life, your ground balance numbers. Now, up in this section here is your search modes. It has 12 search modes, 2 non-motion modes, 2 all-metal modes, 8 discrimination modes, which include a 2-tone, 3-tone, 4-tone, a full 99-tone. It also has a deep mode, conductive ground, and 2 VLX modes. And to navigate through them, simply use your keypads, select which one you want. To get into your settings, all you have to do is hit this button here. It brings you down to gain. That's also your sensitivity, which is a 0 to 99 scale. Simply go up or go down. Some modes you can change your threshold. This mode here you can't. That's your discrimination. You can put your discrimination in whatever you want. This is your iron volume. Now you can adjust your iron volume, how loud you want it, or you can turn it off. Go down again, you have tracking. Now you can have tracking ground balance, or you can manually ground balance, or automatic ground balance. This is your backlight. You can turn it down, or you can turn it off. Or you can put it on a timer. All kinds of options with this thing. It has a vibrate mode. You can turn on vibrate and it's, whoa. We don't need any of that right now. Light. It has an external LED light on the other side. You probably won't be able to see it. You can see it a little bit there. But low light conditions, that's fantastic. You can change your frequency shift. This thing has 3 frequencies, but you can shift your frequency within 5 points either direction. These are your factory defaults, or you can save your program. Now over on this side, you have your expert. You go up to your expert and you have your notch filter. And what that does is you can eliminate certain VDIs like pull tabs if you're coin shooting. You go down to audio tones and you can adjust the pitch of your tones. So you can make your high tones higher, your low tones lower. And then you can even adjust your tone break. Now if your tone break, you can adjust where your high tone starts or ends. You can adjust your high tone so it's a high tone at 60, or you can set your nickels to hit as a high tone if you're coin shooting. Here's an awesome feature, ISAT. Now ISAT eliminates false signals caused by high mineralization in the soil and with hot rocks. You go down to frequency and you can adjust your frequency. You can run the machine in 5 kilohertz, 14 kilohertz, or 20 kilohertz, depending on what kind of hunting you're doing for the day or what the site is particular to. What does all that translate to? This machine can be customizable to any site or hunting style. It's simply a whole mess load of metal detectors in one. But the most important thing to me about a metal detector is the sounds that it makes. If you don't get along with the sounds a detector makes, it's probably not the right machine for you. So let's go over the sounds. Here's what we're going to do. All right, on these 2 sticks we have a bunch of different targets. We have an iron nail, shotgun shell, pull tab, bullet casing, buffalo nickel. We have a Civil War J hook, Civil War bullet, infantry button, Indian head penny, barber dime, silver quarter, and a large set. Let's see what this thing sounds like. Because this machine's so adjustable, depending on which mode you're in, it makes different sounds. We don't have time to go through all the modes. We're going to start with the VLX2 mode. I'm not going to talk, just listen. In search mode DI99, you have 99 tones. Every single VDI number has a different tone. It's kind of like listening to the ground in 3D. Take a listen.